Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a short video about organizing toys for my 10-month-old daughter Luna. She doesn't have much toys, but they were just getting out of hand and I just needed a better solution to organize them so that I could take them out and have her play with certain things at certain times and not let her get bored of the toys that she has. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like videos like these. So the first thing I'm doing is just taking all the toys out of all of the boxes and bins that we have set up around the house. Luna's only 10 months old, so she doesn't really have too many toys, but we just needed a better storage solution. We have this really large playpen from Amazon in our living room, and that's where she does a bunch of her playtime during the day. So now I'm just putting back the really big toys and the things that she doesn't play with as much into this big toy bin. And then in these couple bins over here, I'm going to sort the toys so that her stuffies are in one. Anything that's a ball or a block is going to go into another one. And in the last one will be all of like the little toys. I'm going to put books to the side. Luna's not too interested in books right now. She just likes to chew on them, but I still try to read to her every single day. This is a water bottle that I stuffed a bunch of colored pom-poms in, and it entertains her more than like any of her other toys. Shout out to my best friends Brittany and Kevin. They sent these for Luna for Christmas and when she was just born. They're leather chew toys. Now I'm just vacuuming out her playpen, making sure it's nice and clean, taking out all of the things that don't belong in there, like that jacket you saw. I leave this pillow in here for when I play with her. Now I'm just going to put all the bins and toys in here so you can see how everything looks after. And I'm going to leave a few toys outside so that she can play with these on her yay mat. This is a good toy for on her high chair. She can play with it while I get her food ready. So here's all of the organized toys. System because I can take a bin away and then bring it back in a few days, and that way she doesn't get bored of her toys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and join my YouTube family. Thumbs up if you liked this video, and I will catch up with you next week in a new one. Bye!